How often do you get to see a clear, starry night sky? That's a question that might stir some deep nostalgic feelings. The truth is, for many of us, the sight of a night sky littered with twinkling stars has become a rarity. As we've built our urban jungles and moved towards a 24/7 lifestyle, we've inadvertently cast a bright, obscuring glow into the night. This phenomenon, known as light pollution, is a silent thief, robbing us of our celestial views. Our streets, homes, and cities are bathed in artificial light, and while it brings us safety and convenience, it also drowns out the stars. It's not just our view of the cosmos that's affected, but also our wildlife, our health, and our connection to the universe. Yet, even as the lights of progress shine brightly, the stars are still out there, waiting patiently to be seen. The stars, it seems, are not for everyone. Light pollution, an often overlooked environmental issue, has far-reaching impacts. This invisible adversary is more than just a barrier between us and the stars. Its effects seep into the natural world, altering the behavior of wildlife and even impacting human health. Let's shine a light on the plight of our wildlife first. Imagine a newly hatched sea turtle, instinctively drawn towards the moonlit ocean. However, the glaring lights of nearby developments confuse these tiny creatures, leading them astray and away from the safety of the sea. Similarly, birds that rely on the stars for navigation can lose their way in light-polluted skies, disrupting migratory patterns and even leading to fatal collisions with buildings. Next, we turn to the humble moth, drawn to artificial light like a moth to a flame, quite literally. This unnatural attraction disrupts their feeding habits and mating cycles, resulting in a decline in their population. This seemingly small change in the ecosystem can have a domino effect, impacting other species that rely on moths for food or pollination. But it's not just the animals that are left in the dark. Humans too bear the brunt of this luminous invasion. Studies have shown that excessive exposure to artificial light at night can disrupt our circadian rhythms, the internal biological clock that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. This can lead to sleep disorders, increased stress levels, and other health problems. Finally, let's not forget the stars. Light pollution hampers astronomical research, masking the subtle details of the universe that we strive to understand. The vast cosmic tapestry gets lost in the glare, hindering our exploration and comprehension of the cosmos. In essence, light pollution pulls a veil over our eyes, obscuring our view of the universe, disrupting the balance of nature, and even jeopardizing our health. This is a problem that grows with every new streetlight, every brightly lit billboard. We are losing more than just the night sky, but all is not lost. Around the world, efforts are underway to reclaim the night. In the face of the encroaching glow, there's a growing global movement to turn down the lights and bring back the stars. Countries are establishing dark sky reserves, protected areas with minimal light pollution, to preserve our celestial heritage. Cities too are making a change. Flagstaff, Arizona, the world's first international dark sky city, has championed responsible lighting for over 6 decades. Over in Europe, the French town of Vigan became a pioneer in deploying low-intensity, motion sensor lighting, drastically reducing its nocturnal glow. And it's not just about regulations. Lighting technologies are evolving. We're seeing the rise of warm, low-glare LED lights that minimize sky glow without compromising safety or visibility. These efforts show us that we can combat light pollution. We can protect our view of the universe, our wildlife, and our health. We can bring back the stars, one light bulb at a time. You too can join the fight against light pollution. It's not a battle fought on distant shores, but right in your backyard, in your homes, in your communities. Start with the simplest of steps. Use lower wattage bulbs. Not only do they consume less energy, but they also emit less light pollution. Consider installing motion sensor lights. They only light up when needed, preventing unnecessary light from obscuring our view of the stars. But don't stop there. Advocate for dark sky initiatives in your communities. Speak to local government officials, share your knowledge with your neighbors, and help spread the word about the importance of preserving our dark skies. This is a global effort, and every small action counts. Each of us has a role to play in reclaiming our night skies from the grip of light pollution. Remember, every bit of light we save brings us one step closer to a starry, starry night.